Here we go with the Emirates Airbus A380 off to Dubai. Got a new spot here. Oh wow, it's a good spot. She's up. Heavy departure, of course. Here we go with the Saudi 787 Dreamliner. Of course, starting off at the 26 left end and coming up here right to the easterly end of the runway. It's going to be quite heavy, this one. Here we go with the British Airways 777-200 off to New York. It has just sent the other plane around because there was too close. And there we go up. Rolls-Royce engines. Into the sunset, off across the pond to America. Okay then folks, off to Milan. We've got an EasyJet Airbus A319. Departing off to Milan there, folks. Inbound from Milan, we have the Wizz Air A321neo. Now after Milan, we've got a Wizz Air Airbus A321neo as well. Okay, off to Budapest, we've got the TUI 737 MAX 8. Okay then folks, off to Barcelona we have the Vueling A320. Just vacated then folks, we've got the EasyJet A319. Off to Glasgow, we've got the EasyJet A319, got registered Golf Dash Echo Zulu Alpha Juliet. Inbound with the BA 777. A little bit of crab action there. Here we go then, folks, with the Icelandair 757 special livery. It's quite heavy. Smoky engines on that one, RB211s.